Welcome back to another LaTeX tutorial lesson. In this lesson, we will delve into including figures and tables in LaTeX documents. Figures and tables are essential for visualizing data and enhancing the presentation of your content. By the end of this video, you will be able to include figures such as images, diagrams, or plots. You will be able to create tables, and you will be able to include captions and labels in your figures and tables. So let's get started. To include a figure, the first thing is to make sure the use package graphics is in the preamble of your LaTeX document. Next, on the File Navigator panel, upload the file you want to insert in your LaTeX document. You can either upload from another project or from an external URL or from your local PC. In this case, my file is in my local PC, so I'm just going to use select files. Now the upload is complete. You can see the name of my file is boxplot.png. Once you have that, use the include graphics command. In the square brackets, specify options such as width and height of your image, and in the curly braces, the name of the file you want to upload. Now this is our image. Now let's specify some few options. Let's say width. Now you see, by specifying some few options, you can manipulate the size of your image or the image you're trying to insert in your LaTeX document. To create a table, we use the tabular environment along with various formatting options. Let's create a simple 3 columns, 3 rows table with borders and centered aligned text. So we say begin, tabular, and then we use our vertical separator to indicate our borders, and C for centered aligned text. If we want a horizontal separator, we use the H-line command, and then we enter our text. Now you see, this is our table with centered aligned text. Now, if we want to have right aligned text, we simply change the C to R. You see, now our text is right aligned in the tables. If we also want left aligned text, we change the R to L. To include captions and labels in images, we have to use caption and label commands within the begin figure environment. So we say begin figure. The H places our figure where the environment appears. So now you see, we have our figure and we have figure 1 and then the title box plot. We also have our label. For tables, we use the caption and label command within the begin table environment. So we begin table. So you see, now we have our table with table number and the title and the caption. And then we also have our label for the table. To make reference to a figure or a table, we make use of the ref command. So let's make reference to the figure we created above. So let's just say from figure ref. You see, we have box plot, which is the label we gave when we created the box plot above. So now we can make reference to, you see, from figure 1, which is the label we gave for the box plot we created above. That concludes our lesson on including figures and tables in LaTeX documents. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next lesson where we will be exploring referencing and cross-referencing in LaTeX.